Hey there amigos! Today we're talking about the P0113 code, also known as the intake air temperature sensor 1 circuit high input. Sounds scary, right? But don't worry, it's only a medium severity issue and you can still drive your vehicle with it. But be sure to get it fixed soon to avoid any long-term damage to your engine. So, grab a cold one, sit back, and let's dive into the world of the P0113 code. So, what does this code actually mean? Well, it's telling us that the signal voltage from the IAT sensor is higher than 5 volts, which is above the expected range. The IAT sensor is a thermistor that varies resistance based on temperature, and a high signal voltage indicates a low temperature. While the most common symptom of the P0113 code is the check engine light turning on, your car may also experience other issues like engine failsafe mode, hard starting, engine running extra lean, or pre-ignition problems in some cases. So, what can cause the P0113 code? There are a few culprits, including a faulty or failed IAT sensor, issues with the IAT sensor's wiring such as a faulty connection, open or short circuits in the ground, signal or reference circuits, or if the IAT sensor's wiring harness is routed too close to high voltage wiring like the alternator or spark plug cables. And finally, a faulty PCM. Now, onto the fun part. How do you fix this code? Here are a few possible solutions. 1. Use a scan tool to check the IAT reading. If the reading is less than -30 degrees, proceed to step 2. If the reading is logical and within the expected range, the issue may be intermittent, and further diagnosis may be necessary. 2. Inspect the IAT wiring and connectors for any signs of damage or looseness. Repair or replace any damaged wiring or connectors. 3. Test the IAT signal circuit and ground circuits using jumper wires to determine if there is a problem with the wiring or the connection. Repair or replace if necessary. 4. Check for a 5-volt reference using a DVOM. If there's no reference, repair the wiring between the PCM and the IAT sensor. 5. If the issue persists, replace the IAT sensor. And if you're not confident in your ability to fix the P0113 code yourself, don't worry, that's what professional mechanics are for. Thanks for watching this episode of OBD Codex. If you encounter any other trouble codes, be sure to use our lookup tool on obdcodex.com for detailed explanations and solutions. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more OBD2 tips and tricks. See you.